Hello guys, this is Muhammad Rafiq with you. In this tutorial, let me show you how to open ADCB savings account using mobile phone. So let me show you how to do it. For that, just open Play Store on your Android phone or App Store on your iPhone. And here search for ADCB Hayak app. In the search result, you can see that ADCB Hayak. Just tap on it and it will install on your phone. Here I already installed it on my iPhone. You can see here. Now just open ADCB Hayak app. Here tap on new user, and in this first window it will show register and scan documents. Here you have to enter your personal details, name, mobile number and email address. And in this agent code field, no need to enter anything, and tap on confirm. And here you have to choose the communication preferences. You can choose whatever you like. I just select email and SMS only, and then tap on confirm. Here you can either choose offer me personalized experience, then ADCB can able to track your actions on this app. Otherwise you can tap on I am not interested. Okay, now here app will verify your mobile number. So here tap on send OTP. After that you will receive an OTP from ADCB and enter that OTP here on this field. Okay, now you can see that the mobile number is verified. Now in this window you can see that let us get you started choose from, and here tap on current or savings account and select the type of account which you want to open. Selected here conventional and tap on proceed. It will open instant account opening page. Here tap on start now, and here select your employment status as salaried or self-employed or others and mention it, and also enter your monthly salary on this field. Then tap on continue. Now it shows that please note that the monthly salary you entered must match with the salary certificate issued by your employer and can be verified on request. So you have to enter the correct salary here, and tap on I understand, and here just select educational qualification and marital status, company name. You can click on it and you can search your company name here and select it. Company industry, you can click on it and you can search your company industry here and select it. If not find, select others. Job function, you can click on it and you can search job function here and select it, and select the date of joining here. And here tick on the information above is true. Tap on continue. Now here before proceeding you have to make ready your passport and Emirates ID and your signature. Okay, now here tap on proceed. Now first you have to scan your passport. Now the passport scanning is completed, and tap on confirm. Now you have to scan your Emirates ID. Now the Emirates ID scanning is completed, and tap on confirm. Now click and capture your signature. Signature captured, and tap on confirm. Okay, now the first step is completed. Second step is personalize your experience. This is a self-declaration page. If you hold US passport or US resident card, then tap on I hold US passport or resident card. If not, just tap on I do not have US passport or resident card. Here you have to choose your country of birth and enter city of birth, and here select your country of tax residency. Once you choose country of tax residency, it will ask, do you have a taxpayer identification number? If yes, select yes and enter TIN number. Otherwise, select no. And here select reason for not having TIN number. Then tap on continue. Here it will show up again what all you selected just before, then tap on continue. Here it is asking for what purpose you are going to use this account. There is 4 options here: salary transfer, saving, investment, and loan and financing. So you can choose your own choice here. Here I just select for savings. Then tap on confirm. Here it is asking that how you would like to your name to appear on the debit card. In default, there is a system shows your name on the card. If you want to edit the name on the card, just tap on the name. Then tick on I wish to receive an ADCB debit card. Then tap on confirm. Now here it is asking that how often you will use this account. So just select your own usage here. Okay, now the second step is completed. Third step is receive welcome pack. For that, enter your home address here. Then tap on submit. Next, you have to enter your office address here. Then tap on submit. Now for welcome kit delivery, here you have to choose either doorstep delivery or pickup at branch. And here you can choose either your office address or your home address. Then tap on proceed. Now finally you have to confirm all the details here. Then tap on I confirm. Okay, now the third step is completed. Here you can see that your account details, which is account number, IBAN number and customer ID. You can note these details somewhere, and also you will receive on SMS and email with the same details. And here tap on continue, and here tap on view dashboard. Now you can able to see your account dashboard here. Now for registering mobile banking, just open App Store and search for ADCB. And here you can see ADCB. Just tap on get and install it on your phone. Now you can see that the installation is completed. And here just open ADCB app. Here tap on start to proceed. Here you can register using either your debit card or customer ID. For my case, still that debit card is not received, so here I am selecting customer ID. This customer ID you can find it on SMS or email. Just enter the customer ID here. Then tap on next. Enter the activation key here, which is you received before. Tap on next. Here you have to create your login password. Enter the password and confirm the password. Then tap on next. Now the activation is completed. Now you have to enter the login password here, which you created just before. Then tap on login. Now you can see that it is logged with ADCB banking application, And please note that you will receive your welcome kit within days with your ATM debit card. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. If this video helpful for you, hit like and share and subscribe for future videos.